Exercise 2, Section C, first one. The question is, the probability distribution of a random variable x is as follows. The probability distribution of random variable x is given by this table. 2, 3, 4, 5 are the values of x and their corresponding probabilities 0.2, 0.3, 4c and c. Now the question asked over here is, determine the value of c. Now we need to calculate the value of c. So whenever the constant value is to be calculated, we make use of the formula summation pxi is equal to 1. Now summation pxi means all the probabilities, or we can say all the given probabilities are to be added and equal to 1. So the probabilities are 0.2, 0.3, 4c and c. They all are added, equated to 1. Now adding 0.2 and 0.3 will make 0.5 plus 4c into 4c plus c will make it 5c is equal to 1. Now taking 0.5 the other side, it becomes 5c is equal to 1 minus 0.5. So 1 minus 0.5 value is 0.5. So 5c is equal to 0.5. To calculate the value of c, 5 is shifted the other side. So 5 is multiplied in LHS. So in RHS it will be divided. So c is equal to 0.5 divided by 5. That will make c as 0.1. So the value of c is 0.1 in question number 1. Question number 2 of section C is, calculate mean of the discrete probability distribution Px given by x minus 1 divided by 6 when x takes the value 2, 3 and is equal to half when the value of x is equal to 4. Now firstly we will calculate the probability of P2 and P3 by taking up this formula and keeping the value of x as 2 for P2. It becomes 2 minus 1 divided by 6, that is 1 by 6. And for P3, again in this formula, in the place of x, 3 will be substituted. So 3 minus 1 divided by 6 is equal to 2 by 6. We'll not go for cancellation. Reason, when we are using it in the formula of mean, LCM can be avoided. And P4, x equal to 4 is already given as 1 by 2. So for 4, directly the probability is half. Now we will just make this table of the variable x, which takes the value 2, 3 and 4. So 2, 3 and 4 is written in the x. Now probability of 2 is calculated as 1 by 6, that is being written here. P of 3, probability of 3 is 2 by 6, which is calculated from here, and probability of 4 is given as 1 by 2. Now to calculate mean, the formula that we use is E of x, and E of x becomes sigma xi pxi. This is a formula for calculating the mean for a random variable x. Now xi means 2 and pxi means multiplied by its probability. So 2 into its probability plus 3 into its probability plus 4 into its probability all the three are added. Adding them, 2 by 6 we get it, 6 by 6 and 4 by 2. Taking out 6 as an LCM, so 2 plus 6 plus 12 we get it, divided by 6, and adding them 20 by 6, and cancellation gives 10 by 3 as the answer. Question number 3 of section C is the probability distribution of a random variable is as follows. P of x is equal to x plus 3 divided by 10. X is equal to minus 2, 1, 2. Hence calculate E of x square. Now firstly we need to calculate each of this x probability by substituting the value of x as minus 2, 1 and 2. Keeping in the place of x as minus 2, the calculation is minus 2 plus 3 divided by 10, that is 1 by 10. Keeping in the place of x 1 in this formula, 1 plus 3 divided by 10 will be 4 by 10. Now keeping the last value of x as 2 in the formula, it becomes 2 plus 3 divided by 10, 5 by 10. Now expressing the random variable x in terms of table or in a tabular form, taking up the values of x as minus 2, 1 and 2 and their corresponding probability 1 by 10, 4 by 10, 5 by 10, which is being calculated by this formula. Now calculating E of x square, the formula is summation xi square pxi. So here all the xi's are to be squared and multiplied by its corresponding probability. So minus 2 square is 4 into 1 by 10, 1 square into 4 by 10, 2 square into 5 by 10. So minus 2 square makes it 4, 4 into 1 is 4, 1 square into 4 is 4 and 2 square, that is 4 into 5 is 20. The denominator of all is 10, so it is whole divided by 10. Adding 4 plus 20 makes it 28 by 10. If the cancellation is done, it becomes 14 by 5 and converting into decimal will make it 2.8 as the answer of Ex square. Fourth example of section C is given as if n is equal to 4 for a symmetrical binomial distribution, then find P of 4. Now n value is given as 4. The distribution is symmetrical. Therefore, the probability of success, that is P, will be equal to half. If P is equal to half, Q will be also equal to half. Now we need to calculate for P of 4 the probability when x takes the value 4. So here the value of x will become 4. Using the formula of binomial distribution, it becomes Px is equal to Ncx, P raised to x, Q raised to n minus x. Keeping the value of n, x, P and Q at their places, we have 4C4, P is half raised to 4, Q is half raised to 4 minus 4, as the value of n and x both are 4. 4C4, the value is 1. If 1 by 2 is multiplied 4 times, it becomes 1 by 16. 1 by 2 raised to the power 0. This value will be 1. Any number raised to 0 is 1. So finally, if we multiply all these three, we get 1 by 16 as the value of P of 4.